Hi, my name is Caitlin with Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Pam this morning on sending you guys this quick video on some tips and tricks on how to get some customers and traffic from your guys' website. So I'll go through 3 things you guys can do today on content, backlinks, and citations. So with content, your guys' first page is when you guys have these paragraphs. So about your business and the services that you guys offer. So you guys have about 136 words on this front page. Really, you guys want about 1,000 to 1,500. Once you have that range of, that sweet spot, Google starts ranking you at the top of their page as the business that knows the most in this niche. They really want an expert at the top of their pages. So when we Google OKC plumbers, we're really looking for this organic ranking. These 2 here are just, review sites. And so we're looking for that first business that ranks here. And that is Plum Crazy Plumbing, Oklahoma City. So if we go to their page, they have about 900 words for their content on their front page. Really not a whole lot. Getting anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page is not a whole lot. And with my research, there's not a whole lot of businesses that have that much content on their front page. Once you get that on there, get some more written paragraphs and some more about your business, you guys will really start outranking these competitors. Let's see here. And one way to do that is using this system. So Ahrefs, Ahrefs. That is the website I use to just run some analytics and show me kind of a bird's eye view of your guys' website. So right here, DR means domain ranking, or really your website power. You want this number as high as you possibly can get it. So right now you guys don't have any power going to your website. Now you have a start here with your backlinks. The second thing I want to talk about, 226. So these are just links that are, when people click them, they go directly back to your website. You guys have 226 in the span of 12 different websites, 12 different domains. Now you really want a lot more domains and you want some powerful backlinks. So you can have thousands of backlinks and no power going to your website. Some are powerful, some are not. As well as you guys only have 4 organic keywords. Keywords are what people are searching in Google. So plumbers OKC, OKC plumbing, plumbing in Oklahoma, things like that. You guys really want some organic keywords in your content on your front page. Now if we go to that direct competition, show you guys here, they have 3.3 as a rating for their domains, so their power. Not a lot at all. That won't be hard to beat with some consistency. They have 331 backlinks going to their page from 59 different domains. So that also is not that hard to beat. We would just have to do some research together and find some good websites to get you guys onto. Now, where they find their organic ranking is their keywords. Once we click on here, this is a good example of what you guys would need to implement in your content. So plumbers, OKC, they have 500 people. Or there is 500 people searching for plumbers OKC on Google. They're getting 15 of those customers a month because they're number 5 on Google. So each page of Google has about 10 different businesses. They're right in the middle of that first one. Whereas OKC plumbing, 80 people search that a month, and they're getting the same amount of customers at 14 customers because they're ranked number 2. Let's see, OKC plumbers have 100, they're getting 10 of those customers, so that's a pretty powerful one for them. And so you guys would just go through here on this website and take some of these keywords and put them into your content. Last thing I want to go over is this area right here. This is called the Google Map Pack. It's the top 3 businesses that pull up when you Google any of those keywords. So OKC plumbers pulls up these 3 companies. And ideally you want a phone number right here, because if people can get talking to somebody and get information and value from 1 to 3 clicks, you guys will drive a lot of business straight to your website. So the way you do that is you go to Google My Business and register your business with Google. Once you do that, you'll get a postcard that has a code on it. You'll put that code into your Google My Business account and therefore creating your business with Google. Whatever name you put here, exactly. So any of this, a comma right here, a period right here, you want that exactly on any directory that you possibly can get your hands on. So Oklahoma City has about 350 different directories we can get you on, and you would just continue to push and get on those directories every single month, every single week, driving power straight to your website. So that creates a citation. So a citation is your name, phone number, and address exactly the way it is on other directories. One way you can find these directories is if you go to any local citation finder. Here's your competitions and here's you guys. Your competition has 42 citations and you guys only have 22. And that's not a bad amount, but you can get up to 350 citations. So you click that 42, and here are all the different websites and directories that this company has backlinks to. So you'll just go through those, figure out which ones you don't have, call them, and get on their directory. And therefore you'll drive a lot of business straight to your website. So if you guys have any questions or any other way I can assist you, just give me a call at 405-627-2693. Or my email is my first name, Caitlin, at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.